Yeah, he that put his trust in vanity and no love for humanity. Love is love and war is ugly. You're born to kill and we have to give thanks and praise to the Almighty. Lyrics plenty, love is lovely. And war is ugly, but in front of mankind, them a put vanity. Love is love. And war is ugly. Never sell a man life, he live in a luxury. Well, this is Bounty Killer, who is well excellent. I am talking to all you heads of government who sit down in our chair a house of parliament. You them in the ghetto need some employment. We accumulate dollars and dash with the cent. We bank up money, we pay mortgage and rent. We mind we woman, we family and we self. Who no treat poor people like buckle pan shelf. When me see that, me really have to looking at myself. I lace up me shoes and buckle up me belt. Who fight against the poor, you know them shall fell like a butter against sun. All of them have to melt, them a put vanity all in front with health. The whole of them a war and a fight to overwhelm. Love is lovely. A war is ugly. In front of mankind, them a put vanity. Love is love. A war is ugly. Some would a sell a man like we live in a luxury.
In this place called Babylon, just send his children on a mission.
Shot. Oh, I am. I'm an informer, a long time, forget that, man. Don't you love the informer? I want to take back with chat. You know? Man dead, who dead? Now the informer afraid. Him a informer, so them fool him up a lid. Man dead, who dead? Now the lab am out afraid. Him no mind him busy, that's why them lick him head. Man, you fi see people business and leave it alone. Business you fi mind is your own, but to your chat three much you gonna funeral home and left your family just a moon. But if you did hear and don't hear, you'd a be here. You'd a there no in the atmosphere. You wouldn't kick the bucket. You'd a healthy and fit, but true. You love the bag of service with your lip. You say where you know fi say and get your casket. Man dead, who dead? Now the informer afraid. Him a informer, so them fool him up and him. Man dead, who dead? Now the lava mode afraid. Him no mind him business, that's why them lick him. Because the best of business in the line of business is to mind your business and leave people business. But you have some man too inquisitive, them coming like Miss Lashy, we chat pan rapido and carry clear news and cause a bag of mischief. But the man we see and blind shall always live. Why you never did a listen? You did too talkative and now dust to dust and ashes to ashes. You never stop talk until them bust Rastafari. Man dead, who dead? How the informer afraid? He my informer, so them pull him up and it. Man dead, who dead? How the lava mouth afraid? Him no mind him eating, that's why them nick him. Drunk or want to allow him eat banana twin fi blow. To your one dead, you love your mouth so right away.
Try to test the champion, you dead. You never live to see tomorrow. Gunshot to take you belly. Jump and you dead. You try to diss the champion, go away. You never live to see tomorrow. Don't play to take you belly. Bout your own things, never know the champion sound was playing. This is not a war, this is suiciding. Jump and come take part and now they're burying. You see, somebody go away and change your negative thinking. Hey. Some clash business, that's serious something. Oh, this is a war. Jump and stay far. My son no have no time for bargain. So, boy, go away. You try to test the champion, you're dead. You never live to see tomorrow. Don't play to take you belly. You see, boy, you're dead. You try to test the champion, go away. You never live to see tomorrow. Gunshot to take you belly. Boy, you're dead before you're dead. This is a song why Mr. Play.